Hi, Helen here. So you got your full face of makeup on, but who suffers with this horrible problem? You're on your mobile phone, chatting away, and then you've got your residue of your foundation. No one wants that. Just go clean that off. So, not just for on the telephone, you just don't want it shifting at all. So, using the B-beautified setting spray, just give your face a mist. Let that sit for a couple of seconds. And then completely clear. Completely clear. How fantastic is that? And your makeup is just going to sit there. It's not going to budge. So you haven't got to worry. That's how fantastic. I love the B-beautified spray.